Here are 3 stocks that I think will lead the future. And yes, I know, anytime anyone on TikTok says, here's my opinion, the comments are inevitably filled with people going, what about this one? What about that one? I can't believe bro forgot that. So I want you to do 2 things. One, remember, you're watching me, I'm not watching you, and please feel free to leave your opinions in the comments below. Number 1 is Apple, to which you might say, really dude, Apple is old and they haven't innovated in years. And in the last decade, the stock is already up 500 and almost 50%. What more could they possibly do? But I believe Apple is just getting started. Artificial intelligence is built into everything Apple does and makes, from phones to computers to wearables. They're also rumored to be building their own AI server chips, which would make them even more dominant in the space. And Apple isn't just a phone and computer company anymore. They're moving into spatial computing, like with their VR headset, which a lot of people made fun of. And yes, as it stands right now, was a failure, but I think we're at the very beginning stages of what this technology will be able to do. And we might look back 20 years from now and all be like with the phones and the watches, like everyone has one. You can't live without it. And Apple is building devices that will stay secure even when quantum computing can hack them. So while quantum computing isn't yet a big part of what Apple does, they're laying the groundwork for it. Apple is $209 a share, but some analysts have a very high price target of around $300 per share for just the next 12 months alone. Up next is NVIDIA, who basically powers the whole AI industry. Think of it like this. If you're using AI, you're probably using NVIDIA for something. Their chips are the backbone for what trains ChatGPT. Data centers, self-driving, AI chips, NVIDIA dominates all of this with their semiconductors that goes beyond video games, beyond gaming. And they are also heavily moving into quantum computing. Yes, to be fair, NVIDIA is up a whopping 19,418% in the last decade. So it is unlikely that just because it went up 19,418% in the last decade, that it'll go up 19,418% in the next decade. But even if it only goes up 1,000% in the next decade, that would be a fantastic gain. Only. You hear how people sound? Only. Oh, what if it only goes up 1,000%? Analysts have a very high price target of $220 per share for the next 12 months. Finally, none of this happens without Taiwan Semiconductor, which is $165 a share and is also up a massive 567% in the last decade. Both Apple and NVIDIA rely on this company to manufacture the semiconductors that they both use. So without TSM, none of this is happening. TSM is 165, and their highest price target, according to analysts on Wall Street, is 265 for the next 12 months. When quantum computing takes off and smart tech becomes even smarter and more prevalent in every aspect of our society, which companies do you think will benefit the most? What's the next NVIDIA? What's the next Apple? What's the next Taiwan Semiconductor? My guy, I think they were the past, they are the present, and I think they're going to be the future too.